Getting ready after I dissolved my lips. So I just did my curly hair routine without a parting. So I'm really excited to see how it turns out. But this is gonna be me getting ready for the first time after dissolving my lips. So I'm kind of excited, but then also I'm scared. I have to just work with it and appreciate it and love my lips naturally as well. So I did have some lip mask. I'm gonna remove that. Just gonna take off my lip mask. And of course, because of this situation with my lips, I'm gonna first go in with this Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump Gloss. So it does tingle a little bit, but I mean, I don't have any other options. So I've already done my skin prep. So I'm gonna prime my face with the Saie primer. This is in the shade Star Glow. Oh my god. Why does this happen to me? I'm gonna try to clean it because I really wanted to wear this top. This is good enough like that. Like, this is honestly the best primer. It gives a glow from within. It's key for like glass skin. For foundation, I'm using Dior Backstage. This is in the shade 3WO. I'm gonna blend it out with the Refy brush. Next, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Corrector and the concealer. The corrector is in the shade Peach and the concealer is in the shade Coconut Flakes. Just a tiny bit goes a long way. I'm gonna blend it out with the It Cosmetic. This is the number 2 brush, Dual Airbrush Concealer. Okay, once that's blended, I go in with the concealer, just a tiny bit, because today I don't feel like I need much. It's a natural look for today, so. Okay, so to bring back some color and sunshine to my face, I'm gonna go in with the contour from Rare Beauty. This is in the shade Serene, and I'm just gonna use a tiny bit because like it's very pigmented. I feel like this is already too much. Okay, let's hope this works out, but I'm scared already. Taking the Ariel Morphe brush, the sculpting brush, this is how it looks. But I really love it. I really love it for blending out my contour. With whatever is left, I like to just kind of roughly contour my nose like that. I never contour my nose in details, so I think this is just enough. Again, with whatever is left, also on my eyes. We're almost done with my base, but I do like to add some highlighter. This one is also from Rare Beauty. This is in the shade Mesmerize. This is really, really pretty. So just gonna blend it out. Like, it looks so natural, but you can really see it. I just like to do the tip of my nose like that and just tapping on the bridge of my nose, just the slightest bit. Okay, so this is my base done. I am gonna spray. No, I'm first gonna set my under eyes and then I'm gonna spray. Okay, I lost my beauty blender and now I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life. Okay, I found it, but I just need to wet it, so be right back. So I'm back now with my damp beauty blender. I'm just gonna make sure everything is really blended. I really like to focus on my under eyes before I put any powder, just to make sure there's no creases going on before the powder. Okay, I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake. This is in banana bread. Just take a little bit and tap off the excess and then gently press down. And now with whatever is left on my hand first, I'm just gonna go all over my face. This bronzer my sister got me for my birthday. It's insane. Like, look how big it is. It's just almost as big as my head. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush bronzer in the shade Tan. This is another Morphe brush, but it's just a normal E4 brush. And it's like really good for getting onto your cheekbones and like for contouring. It's so pretty, and I feel like this will last me like forever. I like to go in with the powder brush, go over what I've just done, just to make sure everything is really blended. And I also like to use this for like eyeshadow. I feel like when you use your bronzer as your eyeshadow as well, it really brings everything together. It's like cohesive, you know? Just in the crease, so nothing crazy. And then for blush, I'm gonna use the Patrick Top in the shade She's Seductive, and it's the prettiest shade ever. Again, this one also was for my birthday. I'm obsessed. Like, my sister is the best. She really spoiled me on my birthday and I'm so thankful and I love her so much. So I'm gonna do exactly how he does it. So he starts with the powder. So I do feel like I applied too much. I didn't even pick up that much, so they're really, really pigmented. And this is the creamy shade. So I'm just gonna put that over the blush. I'm obsessed. Now I feel like my base is all done. I'm gonna go in with setting spray. This is from Tilbury Airbrush setting spray. Just gonna curl my lashes. This is the Refy mascara. It comes in this shape, so it really gets into every single lash without making a mess. Also, it's not clumpy, so if you're like a clean girl type of girl, you're gonna love this. Oh, look what I did. I just said it doesn't make a mess, and I made a mess. But it's okay, I'm gonna clean it up in a minute. With whatever is left, I do the bottom lashes. Okay, I'm gonna try to clean this without making an even more mess. Okay, I think it's good like that. Okay, so now for the exciting part, I'm gonna do my lip combo. I'm really scared, I have to say, because I don't know how this is gonna turn out, and I don't know how much I can overline, but yeah, I will do my best. First, I'm gonna take off the lip gloss. I do feel like it did plump up my lips, kind of. So I'm gonna first go in with MAC lip liner in the shade Plum. This lip combo is inspired by my sister. I saw her wearing it and I was like, oh my god, what is that? I need that. So today we're gonna recreate that. Oh my god, this feels so weird. I don't even know if I'm doing this right. It's so hard to have my lips dissolved. Everything is so different. Okay, my top lip. I guess this looks good. Just gonna blend it. I don't know. I feel like my bottom lip looks so weird. It doesn't get any better, so just gonna keep it there. Then for my lipstick, I'm gonna go in with the MAC Creme de Nude. And just concentrate that on the center of my lip to create like an ombre effect. We need that ombre effect right now. with tiny lips. Okay. Honestly, the only good thing about having natural and small lips is that you don't need product, like as much product. So I just needed like one swipe and that was it. Okay, now for lip gloss, I'm using my favorite, everyone's favorite, the NARS Turkish Delight lip gloss. I love this. And honestly, this looks good on everyone. If you've had your lips done or your natural lips, it will look good. Okay, almost done. Just gonna add some of the Rare Beauty highlighter in the same shade, Mesmerize. I'm actually gonna use the same brush that I used earlier. Just gonna barely touching my skin. Just a tiny bit on my nose. And my brow bones. The last thing I want to add is some faux freckles. This is the KimChi, really natural and so easy to use. I think that's it. Just gonna go over it with my fingertips. And that's it. This is the complete look for today. I'm actually happy how my lips turned out. And I think it's really thanks to this lip gloss from Too Faced. It was hurting, but I mean it's worth it, and it was like hurting for not more than 5 minutes, so yeah, it helped. I have plumpy lips and kind of feel like myself again. But yeah, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed, and now I'm gonna finish doing my hair. Thank you so much for getting ready with me, and I will see you in my next video.